Hello, my people. Egbe don yawa now for Naija. Coronavirus. Politician now in the cash. You know, see say now make it no good, make person they do bad because you know tomorrow. All those our looters, politicians where they Nigeria, those thieves where they power, they call themselves politicians, leaders. They oppress youth, they oppress the country, they loot with their wives and their children, they go abroad. Now then the Corolla, the first they catch now. Abi, no be so? Now so. The stupid, brainless zoo politician in Nigeria, like Nnamdi Kanu, they call them, where be say, now themselves them wicked now because they say they take and they punish Nigerians and the poor people within Nigeria say, oh, if they're sick, they can jet out, they can fly out anytime, they can send their children to abroad to go and school, they can buy property in abroad. Now make them come to abroad now. Because the abroad self no go even receive them. Right now, abroad hand done full for the coronavirus. Then they battle with their own people. They plan how they want to protect their own people from this virus. They plan financially how they want to support their citizens all over the world. But Nigerian politicians, no way. Now then the Corolla, they catch. And it go catch them where. He go catch them, drive them, enter their bedroom, wherever they are. They go catch them out and disgrace them. Now, it's time for them to start regretting. Say, oh, had I know it? So I know, I forbid hospital for my country. All the money where Buhari carried that time, go Western country, parking aeroplane for airport for months. They bomb billions of money, billions of pounds, not even naira, billions of pounds. They trade the street himself. I think he go die second time at that Buhari. He will die second time. He don't first die before. He go die again. Then Jubrin go follow him. Now so it be. You see, say our African leaders, unabiri mumu, unabiri okpe, unabiri yawa. The money one are the thief they put for tanker. Tunubu the all of una. Shebi una for take and repair the country, build better, fantastic hospital, repair Nigeria, make it be like Dubai. When all of una they run, they go nah. Nobody can even go ordinary Dubai here. Where be una backyard, una no go fit go because coronavirus don't pursue every country to mind their business. So the vomit when I don't vomit for Nigeria, and una go begin to take on a tongue. They lick and one by one. Useless politicians, useless thieves that are in power. Obasanjo them, Yakubu Gowon, Babangida thief, international thief. That one thief. Now that one sit down on top of our money. They enjoy themselves for a minute for Nigeria, for a country there. You know. Banjo them Oshomo where they run like a chicken when they cutting head through away. Now is the time to face the music. Now is the time to face it. When I take and they punish people, the poor people where they for now. Now self when I take they do. So now don't they sniff when I shit down. Useless people. No. Not say as coronavirus they catch all of them. Una go jet. Actually, una get private jet. Una take and fly go America now. America they go send on a back kya. I mean, now you can want they go send on a back kya because their own hand full now. They look after their own people in nowhere. But they don't need una money. Una come pay for their country so that they sick. Una get cough. Una get diarrhea. Una get chicken pot. Or una get one thing that go come obodo. You go come waste money. They waste money when busy that go take and repair on our own country, African leader, especially in Nigeria. Nah, the music is playing. Make una begin the dance on a Coco Magbe dance when una create useless leader. That's why I talk to my people. They see worship media where they talk say Buhari they cough, Jubrin they cough, Abakaya they cough. That stupid article come out for national TV. They talk say in son don't catch coronavirus. You are thief. The time when you and Obasanjo rule Nigeria, the money one are thief. And I don't come and don't tell Nigeria much on a thief. And I don't ever come and come tell us say that money one are thief be this. Now coronavirus the position of una they come and they can't confess. So I never begin confess like winch when they break meat. Useless politicians, useless leaders, thieves in power, calling themselves politicians. Una never say, this is the wrath of God upon our head and upon the world with their sin where the world now, the things that is happening now. This is the time everybody should turn to God and beg for forgiveness and turn from their wicked ways. Now, see, make I talk, my brothers and sisters. I better wanna go subscribe for my YouTube. May I dey give una more gist. Okay, bye. Take care, guys. Bye bye.